Santa Tomas. Stands 5 feet 7.5 inches tall and measures 32.5, 25.5, 22 from Taal. Stands 5 feet 4 inches tall and measures 32, 45, 34. Candidate number 23 from Talisa. He stands 5 feet 5 inches tall and measures 32, 25, 35. Candidate number 24 from Tanawan stands 5 feet 10 inches tall and measures 33, 25, 37. Candidate number 25 from Taisan stands 5 feet 4.5 inches tall and measures 31, 24, 35. Candidate number 26 from Tingloy stands 5 feet 5 inches tall and measures 32, 25, 36. For our 26 lovely candidates. Palapakan naman tayo dyan, mga kaibigan. There you have it. Tingnan niyo po mga candidates po ninyo. I'll be announcing our first set of special awards in a minute po. Siyempre, nandun ang Miss Congeniality. At siyempre, sino ba nanalo ng Miss Congeniality? Siyempre, siya ang binoto na kanyang fellow candidates to be the friendliest. And then we will have, after that, Miss Congeniality, we will have Miss Photogenic. And after that, we will have, of course, Best in Swimsuit. So here we go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Our first award for the evening, voted by her fellow candidates as the friendliest, our Miss Congeniality is... Presenters, please. Honorable Sonia Aquino, Miss Fredecindo, Mr. Fredecindo Men. Please come forward to award Miss Congeniality. Siyempre, mula sa Kalaka, Miss Congeniality. To be awarded by Honorable Sonia Aquino, Miss Fredecindo Mendoza, and bouquet to be awarded by Honorable Gloriosa Martinez, and cash prize to be awarded by Engineer Eduardo Cedo. remind you that after this, our candidates will be whittled down to 10 semi-finalists, and we will have a question for each of the 10 semi-finalists, to which we will have, after that, our 5 semi-finalists. Our next special award, our candidates had a photo shoot, and the one chosen with the most perfect picture or image is our Miss Photogenic. Miss Photogenic is from Balete. Congratulations!
Miss Photogenic will receive a sash to be awarded by NMYF Representative Councilor Robinson Sale and Councilor Adorna Banaan. Bouquet to be given by Honorable Carlito Reyes. Cash prize to be handed by Honorable Maynard Sapile. Portrait to be awarded by the photographer. Digital camera, Canon. And she will also be receiving gift pack from Ms. Mary Stephanie Landicho.
From Balete, Miss Photogenic. I will be awarding next, of course, Best in Swimsuit. Sino ang Best in Swimsuit? Nasa na yung ng bawan? Nasa na? Taos na? Santa Teresita? Kamusta? Kamusta yung candidate? Siya na Santa Teresita. Ayun. Ito siya. Tatabi muna ako para kitang-kita siya. Thank you very much, sirs. And ma'am. Now, our major award. First major award, Best in Swimsuit. Sino nanalo? Best in Swimsuit? Sino? Sino? Napasa nyo? Tanawan!
The Best in Swimsuit will be awarded by Sash by Honorable Efren Diola together with Dr. Rolando A. Tumagbing. Bouquet of flowers to be given by Honorable Dila William Leva, and cash packs to be handed by Miss Marices Castillo.
Another major award is coming right up after Best in Swimsuit. That is Best in Talent. Of course, just like any other pageant, may mga preliminary competitions where candidates show their talents by singing, by dancing, and now the judges have chosen only one. Ano nangyayari dito? Sir, baliktad, sir. Ayan. Masyado nabighani sa kanyang magandang proportion na katawan. Nabaliktad ang sash. Tulong sa practice. Okay na, mga sir? Another round of applause for our Best in Swimsuit from Tanawan. We're not yet done, ladies. Meron pa tayong isa. Ayan, picture muna. Okay, ladies, dito muna kayo sa kaliwa. We have one more major award to be given out, Best in Talent, and goes to Batangas City. Congratulations!
The Best in Talent will be awarded by Sash by Director Ruel Gonzalez and Ms. Victoria Puliat, and bouquet to be handed by Honorable Victor Portugal Jr.
Ang dami po natin mga special awards ngayong gabi. May pamimigay of our sponsors. We have Miss Ava later on, Miss Cebuana Luilier, Miss Moringa O2, at syempre another major award, Best in Long Gown. Ang dami po natin mga mabubuting mga sponsors, I'm sure. Mamaya malalaman niyo po sino pong sumuporta sa ating Mutyanang Batangan 2011. At syempre sumuporta kay Governor Vilma Santos Recto. There you have it, our first set of special awards and major awards. Let's give them a round of applause, our first winners. Parang nahina. Lakasan po natin ang palakpakan. Hindi pa talo rin yung candidates. Marami po mga special awards pamimigay. May long gown pa at syempre ang ating top 10. Alright, there you have it. Our 4 winners. Congeniality, Miss Congeniality, Miss Photogenic, Best in Talent, Best in Swimsuit. Thank you very much, ladies. We'll see you in a bit. Hindi pa tapos ang competition. Huwag kayo mawala ng pag-asa. Lalo na yung mga 4 lang ang tumating.